talking in the walkie-talkie? Why do you keep doing that in the walkie-talkie?
Fuck, man. I was going to rehab.
Don't resist. That was not the time.
Oh, goddamn.
Hey, man. Officer Palmer, Fort Seattle Police. Everything's out of here. Recorded. Can you talk with me for a minute here?
What's going on?
Hey, we want to talk to you right over here.
Come on over here. Come on over
We
here.
want to talk to
Go in
you.
the corner over here.
Police responded after multiple calls reported an intoxicated man causing a disturbance near the security checkpoint.
All right. So, we've got a couple of calls about you, my man. What brings you to the airport tonight?
I'm going to California.
Do you have a book? You have a ticket?
Yes.
Can I see it?
I just lost it. That's why I'm walking that way to get a new ticket.
Okay. You got some ID on you, man?
I don't.
Okay. How are you gonna get through security without ID?
I don't know. I have my ticket.
Okay.
What is wrong?
So we got a couple of calls about your talking to other women and trying to get through the checkpoint with no ID and no boarding pass and nothing.
No, I have my boarding pass. I just got to get it.
Okay, look. Just relax for a second here, okay? You're sweating. Why are you sweating?
Because I'm stressed out. Because I'm
Okay.
I'm like 30
So
minutes. from my flight leave.
so just give me a second to confirm your story, and we'll get you on your way, okay? If that is indeed it, all right? So let's relax your thing.
Can I please go get my boarding pass? Because I'm really late.
So what airline are you flying on?
Alaska.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a really important flight for me.
Okay. So the boarding passes here at the airport, the boarding passes for Alaska are all on your phone.
Yes, but I had the physical one they printed out for me, and I lost it. So look, I downloaded the app.
Do you have a confirmation or an email?
That's why I was just going to get a new ticket. Man, I don't want no problems. I just want to fly to California.
I'm not trying to give you any problems here. What I'm trying to tell you is we got a couple of calls about your behavior. That's why I'm talking to you at all.
Man, okay. I'm sorry.
Okay. Is your ID out of Washington or another state?
Washington.
Okay. And again, to go over this ground, how are you going to get past security when you don't have an ID? You need an ID to go past security.
I do have an ID.
Do you have it on
Yeah.
you? Can I see it?
Well, I don't see how that's legislated.
I want to know who I'm talking to.
I have done nothing wrong to make me have to give you my ID.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to do.
I'm going to go get my boarding pass.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. If you got a boarding pass, man, I got his name here. We'll just follow him. Alaska. Hey, man. Tickets are over there. Alaska's over there. You're causing disturbance in the airline. I'm following you to make sure that you are ticketed.
I just want to fly to California. What's going on?
What did I just tell you, man? I told you I'm following you to make sure you got a ticket.
Why do you keep talking in the walkie-talkie? Hey, excuse me.
Sir, could you guys help us for a second here, please? We're coming to determine something here. Can you check if this gentleman has a boarding pass?
Yep, I got for a flight to California.
So, he have a reservation with us.
What's going on?
Oh, no, I just he'll reprint
What's
it for
wrong?
him.
Yeah, because I got to get to my. That's what I'm saying. I'm in a hurry. Can you please print my.
Yes, give me 1 second, okay?
All right, thank you. Are you having a good night besides this?
Yeah, just give me a sec.
Sorry. Why do you keep doing that in the walkie-talkie?
Because I'm talking on the radio, man.
If he gives me my ticket, I'm good.
Well, we'll see if they're gonna fly you, man. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
He claims he had a ticket.
I have a ticket to go to California. I'm going to actually to a sober housing unit in California.
So does he have a warrant or just a caution?
Well, I thought there was a DOC warrant in there, and maybe a warrant at Thurston County. Was there a DOC warrant in there?
I couldn't hear.
I thought it was a caution.
He started warrants like 3 or 4 times. I don't know. If you could get on the radio and
Yeah, work that out.
Unfortunately, you're gonna have to. We're gonna rebook you So right now, we're gonna have to wait at least 4 hours prior to when you reach this flight, okay? So we're gonna check the next available flight to Orange County.
Okay.
But you're not gonna be able to take this one at 6:45, right?
All right.
I do need you to make sure that you don't have anything to drink in those 4 hours because
Yeah, no, absolutely not.
All right.
okay?
I'll go hang out. I'm good. I just really need to get to California. It's really important for my life.
I know. I understand. We're just gonna really.
Why?
Just relax a second. I'll explain,
relax,
buddy.
relax,
I'll explain.
relax.
I'll explain it to you. Okay.
Relax, relax.
There you go.
Why?
Warrant.
For what? No, she knew I was going to California.
When you get out, you can get your ticket and get to rehab. Okay.
Fuck, man.
Would you like it?
Fuck.
You've been really good so far. Let's not fuck that up.
Fuck you shit up. You know that. I'll fuck you up. I'm going to rehab. I'm going to rehab. My PO knows I'm going to rehab. You guys do nothing positive. You guys do only negative fucking bullshit. I was going to rehab. You're a bitch, bro. That's why you're a fat, chubby, chipmunk looking fuck right head bitch. Yeah, okay. You're a bitch, bro. You do nothing positive for society. So if you ever think that you're doing anything positive for society, just go shut the fuck up.
Yeah, let's go. Off to jail, man. Off to jail.
Let's go.
All right, we got to pat you down real quick. Go ahead and face the car. Spread your feet apart for me. Face your, spread your feet apart for me.
That don't bug me one bit, you weak motherfucker.
You could have fought when you were out of handcuffs.
You guys always say that. No, nobody wants to fight you until they know that you're cuffing them up. You guys are so fucking delusional with that. Why would anybody try to fight you before you cuff them up? That's so delusional. You guys are pussies, bro. Such pussies. Why would I try to fight you when you haven't cuffed me up yet? In my mind, I'm thinking.
In a second.
In my mind, I'm thinking, oh.
Don't resist. Now's not the time to start.
If you start resisting, you're going to get additional charge.
Yeah.
Okay, I will charge you with resisting arrest. You
For
understand me?
carrying my fucking groin?
Just relax.
You can comply.
Hey, go ahead. Hey, hop on board with the Young PD. They know what's up. They know what kind of fucking shit's up.
I'm trying to search his belt line on the side. Are you guys searching on your side or no?
You're breaking my wrist.
Yeah, you can stand up. You've been standing this entire time. There you go.
Hey, sir, what are you doing, man?
You've been standing this entire time.
Stop. You're already...
You're killing my wrist.
Stop dropping your weight.
Just
You're
relax.
killing my wrist.
Just relax and stand. You can stand.
I'm trying.
Okay.
Fuck.
We can lay you on the ground.
Lay me on the ground, then.
No.
You're killing my wrist.
Just relax.
Then stop fucking my wrist.
Okay.
Oh, goddamn.
To the ground.
Hey, dude, why don't you chill? Ow! On the ground. Ow! Ground.
Ow!
Right here.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Okay, be done.
I'm done. I'm done.
Just lay there. Now you're going in the route.
We need a spit sock.
Oh, yeah. Ow!
There we go.
Please stop.
All the stages.
Yeah.
Will you get in the car?
Yeah.
Ready?
We're just gonna put him in the car. He's agreeing to go.
Stand up.
Oh.
Then we get these cuffs off you. All right, come on, Dylan. Watch your head. Sit back so I can get this on, and then, all right, get your leg in there. Get that leg in there. There you go.
Man, didn't you punch me enough?
Nobody punched you, man.
No punk. You made me look like a bitch enough, do you not?
Well, you spit in the dude's face. Get it together before we get to score.
Man, just let me out, bro.
You're not getting out, man.
Why? Why?
Because you know why.
I have a flight to rehab.
Right now, based on your behavior, score is probably the better place for you.
But you know that's bullshit. Man, how would that be better than me to go?
Dude, I'm not going to argue with you.
You're a cunt.
Right, and there's your behavior issue again.
Yeah, fuck you. You're a stupid fucking bitch, bro.
You're entitled to your opinion.
Oh, hey, drive around in your little pretend fucking costume, you fucking faggot bitch. Hey, you're real something, huh? You're really something, huh? All you are is a fucking bitch. API fucking cunt fake fucking Asian bitch. That's all you'll ever be.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.